advantages and the benefits are, immense when it comes to a blown wall versus a batted wall. And the biggest thing I love about the blown-in system is the fact that not only are you achieving higher R values, but you have a custom fit for every cavity. My guys like it because there's no cutting around wires, there's no cutting around boxes. It's a simple, clean process. It's less itchy to mesh and blow a wall than to bat a wall. Gives you a perfect, seal in every cavity, and so it reduces airflow in the house. Very rarely will you ever fail an inspection where you've blown a wall versus if you bat a wall. Every municipality is different. I've got some municipalities where I've got some pretty anal inspectors, and they will go through and they will check every box in the house to see if my guys have cut around those boxes and slipped insulation behind them. They will check the wires. Another advantage of blown versus bat is the fact that I can send a two-man crew out and they can do just as much work as a bat crew can, as far as they will knock out a house per day, a house and a half per day, depending on the size of the houses. My guys have been doing it long enough, they're proficient enough that there's absolutely no time saving to using bats versus blown. Owens Corning has a great product called the Inspect-R gauge. I can send a crew out that is not as experienced with the Inspect-R gauge, and they can check their cavities as they blow them and get immediate feedback. How am I doing with my densities? Am I blowing as dense as I need to achieve the R value? Am I blowing too much? I've had builders who love foam, but when I show them the cost difference of what I can do a job in fiberglass for, they're astonished that I can do a quality job for that much less than someone can do with foam. Using a product like Owens Corning, we have a warranty from Owens Corning as well. We have a national company standing behind what we do.